Okay, so this video answer assumes that this is 2 over the quantity x minus 2. Hopefully that's correct. We want to find the values of x for which this inequality is true. Clearly, x cannot equal 2, otherwise we would be having division by 0. So we want to multiply both sides of the inequality by x minus 2 to clear the inequality of fractions and see where it leads us. But that leads to two cases, because when x is less than 2, like a 1, we'll be multiplying both sides of this inequality by a negative number, which means we have to reverse that arrow. Case 2, when x is greater than 2, we will be multiplying by a positive number. So we don't need to reverse the direction of the inequality arrow. Okay, so case 1, x is less than 2. Multiply both sides by x minus 2. We get 2. Reverse the direction of the inequality because we just multiplied by a negative number. We get x minus 1 times x minus 2 over here. When we simplify this and get it less than or equal to 0, we can solve this inequality by finding out where it actually equals 0, which is at 0 and 3, and then test some trial numbers in each interval. So, for example, to the left of 0, like if I put a negative 1 in for x, I'll get negative times negative is positive. And that is not less than 0. So if I pick a number between 0 and 3, like a 1, I get positive times negative is negative. Those numbers between 0 and 3 make this a true statement. But to the right of 3, I get two positives. So this product is not less than 0. But we have this additional restriction. We were assuming that x was less than 2. So that's what this red arrow is. So we want all the x's that make this true and make this true, x less than 2. So it's the overlap of the red and the blue. And that's from 0 up to 2, including the 0, but not including the 2. So there's the solution set for case 1. Case 2, x is greater than 2. Multiply both sides of this inequality by x minus 2, which in this case is a positive number. So this arrow doesn't reverse direction. We can kind of get the same little number line here, but this time the blue arrows represent the solution set to this inequality, because those x values make this a positive number. But we have the additional restriction that x was greater than 2. That's this red arrow. Where do the red and the blue overlap? And it's everything to the right of 3 is the overlap. So there's your solution set there. 0. X is between 0 and 2, including the 0, or x is greater than or equal to 3. All of those numbers make this inequality a true statement. Any other number? Not so much. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.